Hey, welcome to this week's Snapshots. I forgot to film an intro while I was out taking these photos, so you get me in the office this week. But I was able to go out into a snowstorm that Chicago got hit with over the weekend and go snowshoeing. This is something that I am new to, and it was a lot of fun. So I took my camera, went with my wife and a friend, and so you'll see some photos of them. But we went on the lakefront here in Chicago, just a couple blocks from my house, and it was a lot of fun. I am proud of some of these photos. I've been sharing them on Instagram and Twitter, so make sure and follow me on both of those. But let me know what you think down in the comments below. Is there an area of Chicago that you want to see me take photos of that, I have to be smart about COVID restrictions and all that, but I can definitely go some places and do a little bit more than I've been doing, so let me know what you think.